our channel, subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification button so you don't miss any of our videos. And today we're opening these LOL surprise packs. But before we get to that, we're gonna make our own LOL pet out of this messed up Play-Doh ball. Here we go again. It's another Play-Doh puzzle. Hey Elise, let's try making a word for Valentine's Day. How about this? L-O-V-E. Love. What are you gonna do for Valentine's Day? I'm gonna make Valentines for my class in school. What about you, Elise? I'll probably make some cards for my class too. Maybe use some heart stickers. Looks like we have a green ring. Wait, it's not St. Patrick's Day. You know, sometimes green could be a Valentine's thing. Oh, but there's purple hearts. Oh. Maybe the green ring is just for a decoration. I think our LOL pets are gonna be in a yellow ball. Like a real LOL pet. It looks like we have brown fur. Some little feet. Is that a crowd? Here comes the ear. Okay, here comes the head. I gotta smooth this out. Is that an eyebrow? Maybe she's just blinking or winking. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, it's her little tongue. This is a puppy for sure. A really cute puppy. Let's tell them who it is. In 3, 2, 1. Fancy Out Dog. Out Dog? Yeah, Elise, her name is spelled H-A-U-T-E, but you don't pronounce the H.
Say, why not?
Why not? Well, it's French, Elise. They don't say H's in France? Well, not for this word. Wait a minute, I thought her crown was sparkly. Oh, there it is. What? Oh, the hearts. The hearts are coming. I think she's wishing us a happy Valentine's Day. Look, the hearts are sparkly. They look like cookies to me. Don't eat them, Gabrielle, because the sprinkles are glitter. And you don't want to eat glitter, and the glitter is actually glitter glue. Our fancy out dog is finished. Let's turn to get a closer look. Elise, what are your favorite things about her? I like the cute crowd, and I just love the little tongue sticking out. It makes her like so adorable. My favorite details about her are her crown, the hearts around her, and her little tongue sticking out. And basically her. She's just adorable! I can't resist any of this. It's too cute for my eyes. She's a perfect pet for Valentine's Day. If she just came up to you and snuggled in your lap, I would love her giving me a Valentine's card in her little mouth. She's just so full of love. Elise, you know what time it is now. Oh yeah. It's time to open our own LOLs. And maybe one of us will get fancy Haute Dog. Okay, it's time for me to open my LOL pet. Here I go. I think I see the pet that we made. Yeah, there she is. Now I'll tell you the secret message. Red curtain? No. It says best in show. You got a dark pink ball. So it's the same as the dolls. They can do the same things. Color change, spit, cry, tinkle, or color change. I already said that. I thought you didn't. Now the next sipper. So, here we go. This is so cute. Look at the holder. It's like a collar thing. It's like a collar. Look at the inside of the ball. It's so different. It's like a bed kind of thing with a mouse on it. Here's the checklist. Aw, I'm fuzzy. Meow. Because she's a fuzzy bunny. And you could use this as a poster probably. And now to open my surprises. I'll open this first. Miss Puppy. Now this one. It's the pooper scooper. Okay, here's the bottle. This is such a cute bottle. It's all light pink. And do you know what's great about the pets? You can maybe even like switch the pets bottle with the dolls. Time to reveal the dog, the puppy. It's Miss Puppy. Look at the back of her hair. Look at that. It's so beautiful. It's like a braid in the back of her hair. I'm gonna see what's in her litter box. Yeah. Okay, let's see what's in here. You zip another zipper, I think. Open it. Pop it open. That's so beautiful. That's so cool, and it's so pretty blue. Okay. Is it hard? It's a little. It's fizzing. Oh, it's a crown. Oh, so that's what it is. It goes around her bud. I just love those litter boxes. But the crown is so cool too. Okay, here she is. And she is Miss Puppy. Her name is Miss Puppy. And she's a common in the Glam Club. And there she is. She's got her crown, her ribbon, her sippy cup that is all light pink, and her pooper scooper that is all turquoise. At the end, we'll see if she color changes, spits, tinkles or cries. Alright, my turn. I'm peeling this. Yeah. This is mine. Break meats. No, let me read it, Elise. Okay, thanks. It says, break a leg. I can't wait to see who you got, Elise. I know. Okay, there. Time to see who I got. Well, oh yeah. I got a pink one too. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna open this, I think. Oh, I got a collar. I think I know who you got. I think you got Rough Rocker. Rough Rocker, she gets her collar in her litter box. Oh yeah. I think I got Genie's pet. Okay, time to open my other thing. Look at that. It's a golden scooper pooper. And it's definitely a bunny rabbit because there's a bunny rabbit ears for the handle. Oh. So time to see who I got. Okay. I was right. You got Genie's pet. She's so adorable. This is her. I wonder what's in her litter box. Look, they're heart pop prints. Big. Oh, look at that. That's a so nice color. It kind of fits. I got that out right away. What is it? I think it's like a tablet. This is how she looks at her collar, but even though I just put it on, I want to take it off. Time to see if she color changes or not. Is she a color changer? No. But what do you think she does? I feel like mine's the color changer. She's a tinkler! She's a tinkler. Well, that goes far. Yeah, it goes all the way over here. Okay, I'm gonna put her underwater. She's a color changer. Oh, she's so cute. She gets makeup too. And look, she gets blue streaks in her hair and her bun turns blue. And she has like a little like jean sweater. Oh, look at that too. Her tail turns pink. And look what happens. Okay, let's see that. Oh my God. The stars. That is so amazing. I'm so glad I got her. Okay, let's see what she can do. My hands are freezing. She's a spinner. Spinny. Here they are. We're so happy they're joining our LOL family. We had so much fun. We hope you did too. We hope you liked our LOL Play-Doh Puzzle Fancy Out Dog. See you next time. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. The most important piece in our puzzle is you. Be sure to like. Tell us what you think. And share us with your friends. And of course, subscribe.